Hello lovelies, today I'm playing with Pebeo paints to create two magical blue and gold fluid art tiles. I'm doing these for friends today, so I've kept it nice and simple and relaxing, just me, the paint and some music. Welcome back to my channel. It's lovely to be on this creative journey with you, and thank you so much to all my supporters, my members, subscribers, those who buy me coffee, and just I love being on this creative journey with you. So I'll leave a playlist in the comments and description and pinned comments so you can see how I mix my paints and follow along with other tutorials if you like. So I hope you enjoy these two magical blue and gold fluid art tiles today. So easy for beginners. This acrylic pouring video for you today. If you haven't already, please do like and subscribe for future videos. I'll see you towards the end for the wet results.
Head into the unknown. Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Satisfied time, and I come alive. Freedom, freedom, freedom for my body, soul, and mind. Freedom, freedom, here at the river where I leave it all behind. At the river, leave it all behind. Back at the river, yeah, leave it all behind. At the river, freedom. At the river,
So here's the wet and the dried results. So I hope you've enjoyed these two magical blue and gold fluid art tiles today. I'm giving them to a friend for her birthday. So if you've enjoyed this easy acrylic pouring for beginners, I'd love to know what you think. Leave me a comment below and let me know what you'd like to see more of. So I can't wait to see you soon. And here's a little furry friend that I thought you might like to see today, Mr. Robin at the beach when I go swimming. So don't forget that your art is a piece of you, so it's so very, very special. And thank you for being here on this creative journey with me. I'll see you next week, same time, same place. Take care now, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.